In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the draw.io Scratchpad. Start by opening your diagram inside the editor. Before you can use the Scratchpad, you need to make sure it's enabled. Go to the top menu bar, click View, and then select Scratchpad. When it's turned on, you'll see a check mark next to it. Once enabled, the Scratchpad will appear at the top of the left panel. This is where you can store shapes or diagram elements that you want to reuse later, which can save a lot of time when you're building diagrams with repeated components. To save shapes to the Scratchpad, first select one or more shapes on your canvas. After selecting them, simply drag those shapes into the Scratchpad area. This creates a reusable version of those items, so you can quickly place them again whenever needed. This is especially useful if you have custom layouts, grouped objects, or frequently used diagram pieces that you don't want to rebuild from scratch each time. There's also another way to add shapes to the Scratchpad. With the shapes selected on your canvas, click the plus icon in the Scratchpad header. This will add the selected shapes directly into the Scratchpad as well. So whether you prefer dragging and dropping or using the plus button, both methods achieve the same result. Once you've saved items in the Scratchpad, you can reuse them anytime in your diagram. To do that, click a saved item in the Scratchpad to place a copy onto the canvas. If you want more control over placement, you can also drag the saved item from the Scratchpad to the exact location where you want it. This makes it easy to keep your diagrams consistent and speeds up your workflow. If you want to organize or clean up your Scratchpad, click the pencil or edit icon in the Scratchpad. This opens a pop-up window where you can manage your saved items. Inside that window, you can reorder items by dragging and dropping them into a different sequence. You can also rename items by clicking the text field under each object and typing the name you want. If there are items you no longer need, click the X icon in the top right corner of that object to delete it. When you're done making changes, click Save at the bottom right to keep your updates. And that's it. That's how to use the Draw.io Scratchpad to save, organize, and reuse shapes more efficiently while working on your diagrams.